अगर आपने ये स्प्लिट मूंग पुलाव विद प्रॉन टॉपिंग बना लिया ना तो आप इसके फ़ैन बन जाओगे। I have been a seafood eater and this recipe is one of my most favorite. सबसे पहले to a hot pan of oil add chopped onions. Add 2 bay leaves and some whole spices. Then add cumin and mustard seeds. To this we will add some chopped green chilies and chopped ginger garlic. Once this mixture is nice and golden brown in color, we will add 1 cup soaked rice and 1 cup soaked split moong. Mix the grains very well with this mixture. Now add some tomato puree and 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. Time to add some powdered spices, 1 teaspoon each, turmeric, garam masala and coriander powder. Mix it all well, cover the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Next we will add the required water, stir it really well. Add salt to taste, stir, cover the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. Now to another hot pan of oil, add chopped onion and crushed ginger garlic. Saute it till this mixture is lightly browned. Add some powdered spices, half teaspoon each, turmeric, red chili, garam masala, coriander powder and cumin powder. Now I will add the prawns which I have shelled and washed. Next we'll add some tomato puree. Salt to taste and juice of half lemon. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. The surface of the pulao has dried up. Now we will lower the flame. Time to plate it up. This irresistibly delicious split moong and prawn pulao is ready to be served.